So Apple just announced the groundbreaking new iPhone 12 and the super high-end iPhone 12 Pro. And these phones are packed with amazing specs, like 5G, the new A14 Bionic chip, and quad camera setup on the Pro Max. In this video, I'll be showing you the best cell phone plans that you can get for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. So first, I'm going to quickly break down cell phone plans in case you're new to cell phone plans. There are two types of carriers in the US, MNOs and MVNOs. MNOs are mobile network operators. These include the four major carriers: Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, and T-Mobile. These carriers charge high prices for premium service, usually $70 to $80 to $90, and these are usually high-end premium unlimited plans. Not everyone can afford these extremely expensive plans though, and as a result, the networks are never operating at full capacity. To make up for this, the big carriers lease network access to MVNOs, which are mobile virtual network operators. These include, well, pretty much the rest of the carriers out there. These run on the four major networks and use them for coverage, but because they don't have to build their own network and spend a lot of money doing that, they're able to sell you cheaper and better value plans. We'll be looking at the best 1 gig, 5 gig, 8 gig, and unlimited plans for these new devices. Starting with the best 1 gig plans, we're looking at US Mobile, Red Pocket, Tello, and T-Mobile Connect. Starting with US Mobile, this is their new $15 2.5 gig plan with 2.5 gigs of data at full speed with the option to add on hotspot. That hotspot is $5 for an add-on, and do note that there is no unlimited 2G data for when you use up your 2.5 gigs. Also, for all four networks, we have Red Pocket. This is $14 a month with 1 gig of LTE data. This is an annual plan that you can buy on their eBay store, so you pay upfront for 12 months. You get 1,000 minutes unlimited text and a gig of data. However, just like US Mobile, there's no unlimited 2G data. On the Sprint network, Tello is the best option here, with unlimited talk and text and a gig of data for $10 a month. This plan also includes unlimited calling to Mexico, Canada, and China, which is a pretty good perk, so if you want to call to those locations, then you may want to consider this plan. And then finally on the T-Mobile network, we have T-Mobile Connect. It's $15 a month with 2 gigs of data on unlimited talk and text, but again, no unlimited 2G data. I feel like there's a pattern here. And another cool thing that this plan includes that the others don't is domestic roaming, so if you need that feature, then consider this plan. Moving on to the best 5 gig plans, here we have great plans from Boom Mobile, Pure Talk USA, Tello, and Mint Mobile. Boom Mobile offers 5 gigabytes of data, unlimited talk and text for $20 a month. And the best part is if you pick the AT&T network, then you actually get post-paid data priority, meaning that it's prioritized over other customers. This is an insane perk, and I love that Boom Mobile is doing this. However, if you're a family looking for a great family discount, then Pure Talk USA is the better option on the AT&T network. When you add a fourth line to your account, you get 20% off your entire bill, which I think is a pretty good discount. Tello's back at it with the best value plan on the Sprint network, this time with 300 minutes unlimited text and 6 gigs of data for $22 a month, and also includes unlimited calling to Mexico, Canada, and China. And then the best value plan on the T-Mobile network is the plan I personally use, Mint Mobile. You get unlimited talk and text with 8 gigs of data for $20 a month, and you get full featured service and the option to add on international add-ons. Do note that Mint offers their plans in bulk 3, 6, or 12-month packages, and the more you pay for it, the less you pay each month. It's basically the Costco of phone service. Moving on to the best 8 gig plans, here we have US Mobile, Boom Mobile, Red Pocket, and Mint Mobile. Do note that a lot of times there are some unlimited plans that are cheaper than 8 gig plans. However, there are still some great deals out there, and here they are. US Mobile has a plan that is $30 a month with unlimited talk and text and 10 gigs of data with the option to add on $5 for the hotspot feature, and of course there is no unlimited 2G data with this plan. I still think this is the best value plan on the Verizon network, and I'm shouting it out here. Boom Mobile has the same 5 gig plan that we talked about last time, so I'm not going to go into it much, but again, you get the postpaid data priority on the AT&T network. Red Pocket also offers a plan, $30 a month for 8 gigs of data with unlimited talk and text, or if you pay upfront on eBay for an entire year, then that 8 gigabytes jumps up to 20 gigabytes. So if you're able to pay upfront, definitely do that, because then you can get a significantly better deal. And then again, the 8 gig plan from Mint Mobile with the bulk pricing and the international add-ons. Now I'm going to divide unlimited plans in two categories, best value and best premium plans. Starting with best value, here we have Visible and US Mobile. I did a review of US Mobile, so if you're interested in that, then definitely be sure to watch that review for more information. Starting with Visible though, this plan is actually sold by Verizon and is on the Verizon network. A couple of notes here are that the data is deprioritized, so during times of network congestion, your speeds will be slowed down a lot. Also, there's Visible Party Pay, so you can save money on your cell phone service. And you also get unlimited 5 megabit per second hotspot. US Mobile, on the other hand, offers insanely good family plans, and the speed add-ons and hotspot add-ons are available for $5. Moving on to the best premium unlimited plans, here we have Boom Mobile and T-Mobile. Boom Mobile actually offers postpaid priority data on the AT&T network. Basically, they're just reselling an AT&T business plan, but much cheaper. And it's only $42 a month for 22 gigs of postpaid priority data and 15 gigs of hotspot data. On top of that, you get 5G access to enjoy 5G with the new iPhones. However, this is a 6-month bulk pricing plan, so if you pay for 3 months, then it's going to be a little bit more per month. And if you pay monthly, then it's about like $59 a month. So again, if you're able to pay up front, definitely do that. And then finally, T-Mobile, the best premium plan on the T-Mobile network. Do note that you only get 3 gigs of hotspot, but the taxes and fees are included in the $70 price. You get unlimited everything, including, again, 5G access to enjoy with your new iPhone. All the features are supported here. Honestly, I think this is the best option for a premium unlimited data plan. So, what did you think of these plans? Let me know in the comments below, and also let me know what your thoughts are on the new iPhone 12. I'm Max, here to help you save money on your phone bill, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!